During a late-night traffic stop in Hoboken, New Jersey, officers encountered a woman whose behavior quickly drew their attention. As they continued speaking with her, officers began a DUI investigation to determine whether she was impaired. What started as a routine stop would soon lead to a series of field sobriety tests as officers worked to assess her condition.
Is there a reason you were driving so fast and coming to stops where there's no stop signs? You were driving fast. I still need your registration and insurance.
I just got this car like 2 days ago.
I'm not taking all of those documents. Find your registration and insurance.
I just got this car
Okay, you still need to have your registration and insurance.
I just got this car 2 days ago. Like, you're scaring me.
You need to have your registration and insurance. That's customary for any time you have a motor vehicle.
Phone.
Okay, then retrieve it. Have you been drinking today? So why are you acting so erratic?
Because you're like scaring me for no reason. I have contacts on, so my eyes are red. If you must ask.
Odor of an alcoholic beverage on your breath. So how much did you have to drink today?
3 cups.
3 cups of what?
Wine.
Okay.
Like, I just got this car like 2 days ago.
Okay.
Like,
you know what? Step out of the car for me. Alright, step out of the car for me, please. Walk to the sidewalk for me.
Sidewalk?
Right over there. Put your documents on the hood of your car. Right here.
My phone?
Your documents and everything, yes. Just put it on the hood of the car.
Based on her behavior and responses, officers began a series of field sobriety tests to determine whether she was safe to continue driving.
Keep your hands out of your pockets for me. Okay. We're going to be conducting field sobriety to determine that you are capable of driving this motor vehicle. Get your hands out of your pockets.
I hear you.
Safely and without possibly causing injury to anybody else or yourself. Aside from your glasses, do you have any other, or aside from your contacts, do you have any other problems with your eyes? No? Okay. You see my pen? Turn the lights off.
I have lazy eyes. That means something.
Now, move your head. You're pretty tired of the test. Do it again. Follow the pen with your eyes. Follow the pen.
Turn my head?
No, do not turn your head. I told you not to turn your head. Follow the pen with your eyes and your eyes open. Look at the pen, please. Look at the pen, please. Stop looking away from the pen. Maintain your eye contact with the pen.
Look at the pen.
Continue looking at the pen, please. Okay, we're going to try that again. Look at the pen, please. Without moving your head. Keep your head straight, looking at me. Use only your eyes. Stop moving your head and stop looking away from the pen, please. Ma'am, I need you to comply with the test so that we can conduct this test. Stop looking away from the pen and stop moving your head. Look at the pen.
Am I not doing that?
No, you're looking directly at me. You're not looking at the pen.
Okay.
We're going to try this one more time. If you continue to fail to comply with the orders that I'm giving you...
I told you I had lazy eye.
Ma'am, you're looking with both your eyes completely away from the pen.
Okay.
If you continue to ignore the instructions that I'm giving you, we're going to have to place you under arrest. You're still looking directly at me.
I'm looking at the pen. I don't know what you're looking at.
I'm looking at your eyes.
I'm looking at the pen.
Okay, continue to look at the pen until I tell you to stop. Stop turning your head. Stop moving your head, please. Look at the pen.
It's hard for a person with lazy eye, but okay.
Do not move your head. Which eye is the lazy eye, since you keep saying that it's
They're both
your
lazy eye, if you must know.
Okay.
Which is possible.
Okay. Continue to look at the pen until I'm done with the test then. Because you keep turning your head to look away from the
Because
pen.
I have a lazy eye.
That has nothing to do with you moving your head.
Okay.
Ma'am, I need you to focus on what I'm telling you. This test is important to determine whether or not you're going to be placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated. So I need you to really focus right now so we can conduct this test. And the sooner we're done with the test, the sooner we can make a determination. If everything's okay, you can go back to driving on your merry way. If it's not, you're going to be placed under arrest for driving while intoxicated. Do you understand what I'm telling you?
Yes, I hear you.
Okay, so I need you to comply with what I'm telling you.
But do you understand how hard this test is for me? I have a lazy eye in both eyes. It's not like
Okay,
I have...
do you have problems with your vision aside from that? Because I asked you this question.
Without my contacts? Yes, I have...
Okay. Are you normally able to follow things with your eyes?
What do you mean?
Are you normally able to look at things without moving your head and follow things with your eyes?
With my contacts?
With or without your contacts?
I have lazy eyes. I don't know what to tell you. I'm not...
Okay, we're going to continue the test.
Okay.
Look at the pen. Do not look at me.
Not me, it's my nose.
You're deliberately looking at me.
It's my lazy eye.
Okay, continue the test. Stop moving your head.
As the evaluation continued, officers documented several observations that raised additional concerns about possible impairment.
Okay. The next portion of this test is going to be the walk and turn test. Do you have any problems with your legs that I should know about?
Yeah, I just had an accident 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
On my right foot.
Okay. Does that prevent you from walking in any way?
Yes.
How so?
I just sprained my foot.
Okay. Are you still able to walk though?
No.
You're not able to walk. So you just walk from your car to here. You're not capable of walking?
In a straight line? No.
Okay. Well, we're going to attempt the test nonetheless. So what you're going to do, you put your foot on the line, your left foot on the line. You put your right foot in front of your left foot, hands down at your side. Put your foot heel to toe. They have to be touching.
This is the broken foot, but okay.
Okay. So this test is going to be a walk and turn test. For this test, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps forward. At the end of that 9 steps, you're going to take a series of small choppy steps.
On my broken foot.
You're going to conduct the test, yes.
Okay.
I didn't say to start, I didn't say to move. At the end of that 9 steps, you're going to take a series of small choppy steps.
But I went, for the record, on my broken foot.
Okay.
From 2 weeks ago on an accident.
Okay.
Okay. So 9 steps, right?
When I finish giving you the instructions, I will let you know. You can relax your foot for now, so you stop moving around. At the end of those 9 steps, you're going to take a series of small, choppy steps to turn around, and then you're going to take a series of another 9 steps, heel to toe, back to your original starting point. I'm going to conduct a test, of a demonstration of the test right here. I'm going to take 3 steps. You're going to take 9 steps. So the test is going to look like this. 1, 2,
You're
3.
going to say I have a broken foot.
Ma'am, I'm giving you the instructions for the test. I will allow you to tell me what you have to tell me at the end. You're going to take the small, choppy steps, like so. 1, 2, 3. Again, I took 3. You're going to take 9. Once we are done with the test, we will situate you somewhere that is warmer. Do you understand the instructions that I gave
I
you?
hear you.
Do you understand the instructions that I gave you? Yes or no?
It's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
That's not what I said. You are going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps. Do you need me to give you another demonstration? Okay. Do you understand the instructions that I gave them to you? Okay, get into the starting position that I asked you to get into before. Left foot on the line, right foot in front of the left foot. Right foot in front of left foot, hands down at your side. You may begin the test.
Yeah, what's up? Headquarters 134 and 119. 19.
Okay. The next test is going to be the balance test. For this test, you're going to stand on the foot of your choice. The foot of your choice. So that could be the foot that's not
I
broken.
hear you. Okay.
You're going to elevate it approximately 6 inches off the ground, and you're going to maintain that position until I tell
Did you want that I had an accident 2 weeks ago and I can't run?
Okay, you said you couldn't lift or you couldn't move
The right
one foot. Yes,
Okay,
so you
I
can
do
stand
the
on the
left
other
foot?
one. Yes.
That's not fair, but okay.
Okay, we're not going to argue whether or not that's fair.
Correct.
So, again, as I'm going to instruct you for the second time, you're going to raise the foot of your choice approximately 6 inches off the ground, and you're going to maintain it there until I tell you to stop. During the course of this test, you're going to stand in the starting position, like so, heels touching, hands out at your side, and it's going to look like this. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, so on and so forth until I tell you to stop. Do you understand? Okay, please put your hands down at your side and get ready for the test. Give me my phone. All right. Do you still understand the instructions I gave you? All right. So stand, hands down at your side, feet together. During the course of the test, if you put your foot down at any time, just re-raise it, okay? If you put your foot down during the course of the test, just pick it back up
How many seconds?
until I tell you to stop. Are you ready? You may begin. Hands down at your side.
I mean, seriously? My foot's broken. It's very cool.
After completing their investigation, officers informed the woman of their decision and prepared to take her into custody.
Being placed under arrest for driving while
Are you
intoxicated.
serious? Are you serious?
Yes. Go to sleep.
The whole thing in here.
120. We have one female 10-5.
Do you have anything in your pockets?
We have to search your pockets.
I don't know.
We just have to search you.
I understand that.
Okay.
If I know somebody, can like you let me
No.
go?
Walk to the car, please.
I told you my ankle was broken.
120. Roll a hook to the car, please.
Oh, please don't.
Good. All the paperwork she gave us come with us.
Yeah. Just your driver's license.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah, that's fine. Stand right here. Put a seat in the vehicle.
Cell phone as well. Cell phone as well, probably.
Yeah. All right. And then just stand next to our car. I have to search our car for intoxicants.
All right. These guys are gonna stand by.
Yeah.
All right.
What? Officer Aaron Font, badge number 51.
And Officer Kibaleski, 221.
112. Transported one female 10-5 to headquarters starting mileage 5025.3.
5025.3.
Keep my arms in contact with you. That is our policy and procedure.
Just step into the right when you walk inside.
Go to your left.
Step into this room forward.
Somebody?
Face the wall. Uncuff your hand. When I uncuff your hand, throw it on the wall for me. Turn his face towards me
That's him?
and sit down. Secure the bench.
First
Yeah,
is secure to the bench.
The woman's personal information and final court outcome have not been publicly confirmed. Based on the investigations shown in this footage, the estimated charges could include driving while intoxicated, refusal to submit to chemical testing, driving without a valid license, and other related traffic violations. These are only expected charges based on the events shown, and may not reflect the final charges filed by the court. As with any criminal case, every person is presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law.